Hi guys, welcome to my channel where we'll be doing all things hair and fashion. My name is Getty, also known as One Gem. I'm a wife and a mom of 3 amazing boys. Yes, you guys can imagine, it is indeed a handful. I am also a fashion designer, One Gem Fashions, and I'm currently learning how to do some natural hair styling techniques. So I would like you to join me on this journey. It's going to be an exciting one because it's being launched on my birthday. I just turned 30 today, so join me on this journey and let it be a beginning of great things. My channel will be a reflection of me as an individual and of course my natural hair journey and my fashion journey. I will also be expressing as well as sharing a little bit of my Namibian roots as well as my culture and just a bit of fun here and there. So I urge you to join me on this journey. I urge you to subscribe. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay for it. And join me on this exciting journey. And I look forward to seeing you again on the next video, and bye.